Hi guys, what's up? We're going to be cleaning the pool as it has very little dirt in it. So we're going to be using the portable pump and filtering it. I'm going to show you the step-by-step. Now my wife is going to put in the filter that we're going to do by filtering, right? To return the water to the pool, she's just going to put in the filter. Fit it. Did I buy enough water? No, you've already got it.
Just plugged it in?
Plug it in the socket and open it. And it's back in the pool. Now that the pool has very little dirt in it, we're filtering it.